Hey guys, Max Perez from Digital Octopus. Today I have a new video for you guys, and this is for our key fob. As you can see, these Camaros, 5th generation, of course, they're over 10 years old right now. And on my remotes, these buttons are starting to go. This is actually a second remote that I purchased off of eBay or Amazon, I don't remember. And again, these little buttons are going away, so I have this new product that will let you use this one even if the buttons are falling off, like this one here is just hanging on to dear life, but if you click on it, it will still work. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how this cover works and how you could get this looking much nicer and how to protect it. Even if you have a newer one or older one, we could still go ahead and protect that for you. So there goes that button, like I was saying. So I'm just gonna put it in place right now and I'll show you guys the video. Give me 1 second. All right, so first we're gonna open up our case here, and this is how it comes packed. I'm gonna put this on the side. This is our shell here and our protector. So I'm gonna put this on the side here. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the rubber looking piece, and I'm gonna put this right on. Make sure this is in place. And that looks perfect right there. So this could hold in place. So now already it's looking brand new already. All right, so the next step, we're gonna take out our piece here. Oh, be careful with the screws. I just dropped one right here. And we're gonna go ahead and open this. There's 2 screws, 1, 2 right here. One of them is already out. So I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew this. You do get the screwdriver. This way you don't have to go crazy looking for a screwdriver. So this comes already with the key, with the setup. Now all I have to do is put my key in. Wow, that looks beautiful. And then we're gonna drop this on top. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna put in the top first and then the bottom. So I'm just gonna do it again. So top first here, and then just press on the bottom, and we should be good. There we go. So now I'm gonna put my 2 screws in to hold everything in place. So that's 1 screw, and then we have our second screw here. Perfect. All right, so now that this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and add the strap to it. This is not necessary, but if you want to put it. Okay, so now that we have that done, I'm gonna put my straps on here. All right. And the way this works is you're just gonna stick it right in here. And the way to install this, we're gonna put the strap right in through this hole here. Make sure the colors are matched up. This way it's not reversed. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick it right into there. So it should look just like that. I'm gonna keep pushing it in. There we go. So now that should look like this. And all we have to do now is to strap it here. This way we can hold it with this part here, and it should look like this. All right, so we just gotta match them up here again. Like I said, you can have the logo facing up or down, whichever way you want. Gonna pull these screws. You're gonna get extra screws, as you can see in the bag. Here we have 4. You only really need 2, but there's 2 extra ones of each. So what this is gonna do is just gonna punch a hole right through that rubber piece, and it's gonna screw right into place. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw this down. Perfect. And then the second one. Drop it into place. And screw it down. There we go. That holds it perfectly. And there it is. There's the final product. I press on the button. As soon as I let go, it's gonna release the key. It's a brand new looking key. Look at this, guys. So beautiful. If you guys interested in this, go to our website, digitaloctopusradio.com. Use the code 5KEY to get $5 off from this product right here. We have it in red, we have it in black. We have 2 buttons, 3 buttons, 4 buttons, and 5 buttons, whichever one your configuration is. Just make sure you count the buttons before you purchase it. This way it avoids any returns. And that's pretty much it for you guys. So yeah, let me show you one more thing that it does. It is glow in the dark. I don't know if you can see this on the screen, but it is glow in the dark. I'm gonna turn that light on again and put it right in front of the camera. See if it catches it. There it is, glow in the dark. So perfect. So you guys have a great one. I'll catch you guys in the next video.